Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. I'm assassinghost and today I'm back with another Android tutorial in which today we are going to see how can you save the WhatsApp status videos or images in your gallery. So for example, let me go to the WhatsApp, and now as you can see there are many status from many people. So as you can see, if you want to save it, there are many ways, but they require you to root or download any applications. So first of all, the tutorial is going to be about WhatsApp images. So saving WhatsApp images to your gallery is really easy. All you need to do is just go to the person's name or person's status whose image you want to download. So for example, I will go to his and then I will go here. I'll just keep pressed on this on my screen so that everything will disappear, and then I'll just go ahead and take the screenshot. So this is going to be the easiest way to save WhatsApp status in your gallery. So now as you can see, if I go to my gallery and in my screenshot, you will see that there is the image. But now if you want to save the WhatsApp video, so for example this is a video, and if I want to save it, then for this you need to follow some steps. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So first of all, go to your file browser and make sure to go to the storage section, not in the category, and this is going to work on any new file manager such as Marshmallow, Nougat or IR. So there is a pretty good chance that your inbuilt file manager will support this feature, but if it don't, then you should download ES File Explorer or maybe File Manager or something like that. So in this case, I'll just go to my settings, and before that let me show you something. I'll go to my internal storage and I'll go to WhatsApp, I'll go to media, and if I go to WhatsApp images, I will only see WhatsApp images which I have sent and received, and also in the same way I will only get the videos which I have sent and received. There is nothing extra. So for this you will have to go to the settings and search for settings. Search for this setting, this particular setting. It says hidden directories. So hidden directories which contain a dot on its file name. But be aware that your phone or your file manager might have this same setting with different name or something like that, but make sure to show hidden directories. So I will just go ahead and on it. Now if you go to the internal storage and I'll go to WhatsApp, in media we'll see that there is a dot statuses folder. So all you need to do is just go here and you can see all the status along with the video, the image and everything you need. So if you want to save something, so for example this video, I'll just go ahead, copy it and go back and paste it somewhere, anywhere I wish. And once I do this, I will see the video in my gallery. So this is pretty much how you can view and save other people's WhatsApp statuses in your gallery without root or without any third-party applications. So if you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel, and I upload videos about design and games and also about some apps. So in this case I've uploaded this WhatsApp. We are just about to hit 300 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button and also like the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.